Hello and welcome to this midday market meetup with me, Nandita Khemka, and our colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, today we will say it's a little bit green on the screen. Given the fact that the Nifty is holding above the 18,500 mark, and there is a lot of volatility in today's session as well. But if you look at the broader end of the market, still a long traction in that space. Once again, Midcap index in fact was with a fresh record high, and the smallcap index is also gaining somewhere negative 6.8% or thereabouts. Among the sectoral movers, most of the sectors are in the green: realty, PSU banks, and banks in general. Last two sessions, they weren't doing all that well, they weren't participating, but today we are seeing a long session in the banking space as well. Aside of IT and energy, most of the sectors are trading in the green. The auto pack is fairly green, given the fact that the auto sales figures have been fairly good. And if you look at Hindalco, that is the top Nifty gainer today, 3% off. It has sold, in excess of 5 lakh units in the month gone by, and that is why this stock is doing extremely well. Aside of that, other gainers, Hindalco, Titan, Dr. Reddy's, Adani Ports, these are some of the gainers. On the losing end, you have Infosys. That stock has gone ex-dividend today. Bank has also gone ex-dividend, right? Eicher, HCL Tech, HDFC Life, gainers for the sector, in the Indian for the sector, trade day, and TCS as well. Well, if you talk about some of the other stocks, the most active stocks in today's session are Reliance Industries and Zomato as well. That stock is up 5%. We'll come to the mid-cap end of the markets, but if you look at the other Nifty components, Coal India OFS has entered day 2. It is up. It is in fact open for retail investors today, but for institutional investors, it's on very good demand, which is why the government has decided to use the future option and of course sell 3% stake now. Aside of that, DLF has hit a 52-week high. Yes. Management was on CNBC TV 18. It said that it sees good demand and it is confident of a guidance of somewhere around 11 to 12,000 crore rupees. So that stock has hit a 52-week high today as well. Aside of that, let's talk about some of the other midcaps that you are spotting, Yatin.
So, Zomato, that stock is up 6% last time I checked after they held roadshows in Mumbai yesterday with investors. So, clearly, we had Zomato shares which are doing well post that analyst meet. We also have Graphite as well as HEG. Both of these stocks are doing well, 99% each up for both of them. These companies make graphite electrode, and despite the fact that steel prices have been coming down, both of these stocks are doing well in trade. Cyient, that stock is catching up with valuations as well as good earnings which came in few weeks back, 8% up for that one. IIFL and TV18 Broadcast are the other stocks which are doing well. What's not doing well is Adani Total Gas, down 3%, as well as Mahanagar Gas. So gas stocks in general are weak in trade. Biocon, after one of the competitors launched one of the blockbuster drugs at an 85% discount to the list price, has been sentimentally down, 2.5% down for that one, and top FNO loser currently. But yes, if you look at a lot of stocks which are doing well in trade, Zenza Technologies up 8%, PFC, KPIT Technologies, Sanofi. I spoke about that already. Polycab, NBCC, all of these stocks are doing well. In fact, all of them are near their multi-year highs.
Right, Yatin, in the second half of the session, we would want to see whether the Nifty can, reclaim that 18,600 mark or not. But if you talk about sentiment, it's pretty bullish, given the fact that June has not been all that great for the markets in the last 10 years. I think 6 times we have ended that this month in the red. But this time around, the sentiment is fairly buoyant, given the fact that all the data is looking so supportive that market participants believe that we may actually look at something like 18,900 this month itself. That's the upper target that most technical analysts are talking about. And aside of that, quite a few things to digest when it comes to data. In the sense that today the US jobs data will be coming out, and which will decide whether or not the Fed will go in for another 25 basis point hike or not. But on the street, people are saying that this time around Fed could actually look for a pause. There's a lot of mixed comments coming in from the Federal Reserve members. So, and the latest comments hint that they are looking at a pause. So that's something that we'll be watching out for. Of course, next week we have the RBI policy meet, and most people believe that the interest rate cycle in India at least has peaked out, even globally, but in India this time as well we are expecting a pause. So a lot of things to look forward to. Today, of course, it's a Friday, and markets are looking okayish. Second half, we'll see whether we manage to pick up momentum and end around that 18,600 mark or not. But of course, as usual, me and Yatin will be back at around 3:30 p.m. to take you through the market close and all the stocks that will be on our watch list. But for now, I think it's a goodbye from Yatin and me. Thanks a lot for watching. But for more news and updates and all your other financial news updates, stay tuned to Money Control.